for me, it's a critical moment in time. Okay, it's on one side, the corona shows that there is really ICT or IT underlying infrastructure, but it's also critical because everybody says after corona, it will not be as before corona. So what is really the new thing that we want to do? And I think there ICT or IT and informatics will play a crucial role. And I think digital humanism in this context will also play an important role to design an alternative pictures of our future society. It also shows me one thing, that this digital humanism is not an academic endeavor only. It's more than just an academic exercise where academics contribute. I think it's becoming also an innovation issue. It's becoming a politics issue and a policy issue. I think it's really, the setup is really like that. And it's not only Viennese, but it's also, we started with Edward coming from Berkeley with the digital human, and we ended with George from Greece as putting, and Paul Timmers putting the global dimension of it. So it's also broad in that respect. Let me give some outlook into the future, because we plan a workshop in November. It might be hopefully a physical workshop. So, and in case I think we need one, I think we should continue this discussion. What are the next steps? I think also with respect to the European framework and the programs and this data and the AI initiatives there. I think this is just I think an important moment in time what we are doing now, and that we are continuing with this respect. With this, I really want to thank you all for your participation, for your presentations. I want to thank the audience being in the Zoom meeting or also in the Facebook. There are still over 100 in total, or 150 in total participating and listening to us. And finally, I also want to like to thank my colleagues here at my research unit, at the faculty, for having supported us, and especially Mete Sertkan, who did most of the technical work here. Mete, thank you. With this, I wish you a nice lunch or dinner or midnight snack, whatever or wherever you are. Thank you, and I think we keep in contact. Bye. Bye.